Hey, I'm Dylan at Imperial Sportbikes, and we are currently suffering from Tuareg weather. You can see here, this is weather that a Tuareg would thrive in, because unlike a traditional sport bike, this one you wouldn't really mind if you hit some mud. I was actually on my sport bike this weekend, and I did hit mud, and that kind of sucked, because now I got to clean it all off, but the Tuareg actually prefers it. This is our demo Tuareg. It's got some really cool stuff on it. I think this bike needs no real big introduction. It won a lot of shootouts. It uses the amazing RS660 engine. The oil sump's just redesigned to go over stuff. Because, that's what it spends most of its time doing. Another fun fact, my sales manager has actually bent the rim off-roading it super hard, which is pretty cool. And this one has a ton of upgrades. Best thing about this bike is it's not really just an adventure bike. It's also kind of good at everything. It's hard to admit that as a track guy, but this bike would actually be quite fun. I don't think I'd have any problems riding it on the track, to be honest. This one in particular has a couple of aftermarket upgrades. Despite what people may tell you, from the factory, the 2024 does not come with the quick shifter blipper. You can add that as a factory option. Almost all of our customers get that here. This one also has a center stand edition. You can get a chain guide. SW Motec makes some of the best bars for this bike. In fact, you could get SW Motec everything, which is the way I would build my bike. And then finally, you can also get factory heated grips, which is really cool. Very nice for weather here in Colorado, even though, funny enough, Colorado does have riding weather in December if you catch the right time and day, etc. The Tuareg here, let me go ahead and just start it up, has been a very successful motorcycle. And, I think it takes all the great things about the middleweight of the 660 and just add some travel. These were raced in a couple of big off-road races as well, and they did very, very well. Looked like they put an oil cooler up here if you look at the press photos, which is kind of cool. And then they had to tape it off at night because you don't want to get those when the weather gets cold. There's the Leo Vince, beautiful looking pipe. Our demo bike has a sticker kit. It's got an Evo computer profile tubing adventure bar. And then here's the display. It's actually different than the RS660 and the Tuono, but it has all the same stuff. Anyway, I'm going to rev it now. There you go. That is the Tuareg, the 2024 Tuareg, and we'll miss it. It's getting replaced with the 2025 Tuareg. We have a bunch for sale right now. You can get one heck of a deal from Imperial Sportbikes and get on the road and enjoy everything that Colorado has to throw at you, especially weather-wise. I'm Dylan with Imperial Sportbikes. Have a good one.